Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send email via AppScript. So yeah, let's start. Here is a given spreadsheet. Now your task is to send email to all users of this sheet. So before proceeding further, let's start. Here's the email body, and you can see that there are three dynamic input fields. One, student name, affiliation, and department. Right. So now understand the problem. If your task is to send email to every user of this sheet, what should be your approach? If you don't have any knowledge from any technical background, you will gonna copying this name from here, and after that paste it here like this, and sending emails one by one, right? So today, keeping in mind this problem, we are going to learn AppScript to solve this problem. So let's get started. Here the spreadsheet is given, and here there are five input fields like ID, name, email, application, and department. Five columns are there, right? So firstly, you need to click this extension. After that, click AppScript. Now in this my function, here you will write the logic of your code. So I am writing this code, and after that I will show you that how it works. So here is your email body. Now for using it into AppScript, you need to convert it into HTML format. So for converting this body to HTML format, first you right click here. Now click inspect. Now click this symbol. After that, hover to the email body. When you hover to the email body, when the whole body will be highlighted, you just do a single click here, and in the right side you will notice a portion which is also highlighted, and in this portion you just right click here, copy, and do copy element. Now move to your project. Here write email.html email and paste it here. Now you see here three dynamic fields: student name, affiliation, and department. You need to convert these dynamic fields like this. In this symbol, this variable name can be anything, but this variable name must be in under this symbol. So do same for affiliation and department. Yeah, so it is converted, and after that we'll move to code.js and we'll write our code here. I have one suggestion. If you learn HTML, how HTML works, so it will be more easier for you. So yeah, we are now the final step of our problem. Let's understand the code part by part. So here in the first line, workbook equal to spreadsheet.get active spreadsheet. Using this method, we are accessing the live spreadsheets. So for our case, it will be student table. And now you want to work with like sheet 1, so spreadsheet sheet 1. So that's why you are writing here sheet 1. Now you can see that the start row is 2 and end row is 6. So those I have written are start row 2 and end row 6. Now I'm in the loop. What I am doing, I am iterating from start row to end row and sending mails for each row, right? So as I have told about for each row, so let's say here I is row, I is indicating the row, right? And now you need to access the value row wise. Like when you are in row number 2, you will access for all variables for row number 2, like name, email, application, department, and same for 3, row number 3, and same for row number 4. Now to access those values, you need to know the cell ID of these cells. How to find cell ID? So let's say I am at ith row. So if I am an ith row, so for ith row, this cell ID will going to be row number 4 and column name B. So it will be B4, and similarly it will be C4. Same it will be D4. So for ith row, the column cell ID will going to be column name plus row number, right? So same step I have done here. You can see the name is in column number B, so I have wrote here B plus I, and same for email, application, and department. Now I also need to create the subject dynamically. So for dynamic subject creation, you here use sticky symbol like this, and there you write your string, and whichever variables you want to create dynamically, you wrote this variable like this under the dollar symbol. Okay, and after that you are accessing the email body which you have already created from this, right? And now the interesting part is in the body portion you have created some dynamic variables, name, affiliation, and department. Now in the code you can access those name as an object like body.name, body.department, and body.affiliation. So now what we are doing, we are getting the body for each row, we are getting the body from email.html, and there we are filling the value of the dynamic variables like this. Let's say here body.name, I'm replacing with this name, body.department, I'm replacing with this department, and same for body.affiliation equal to affiliation. And this logger.log, what it will just print that I'm in row number this and email is sending to this. It is just um, checking for any error occurred during sending the mails for this purpose, like testing purpose. It is for like is there any error or ambiguity or not. For this, I have written this, and now you just run it. So see, it is showing that mail is sent to this. So let's verify this. Yeah, so you can clearly see that email ID is sent to everyone of the sheet. So yeah, this is our task. So yeah, I have one advice for using this. That first you test it. Here, instead of writing intro 6, let's say my name is Jives, so I am testing with row number 2. So here I am writing intro is 2. Now I am testing this, running this. So if it succeeds, so let's verify this, that is it working or not. So yeah, I can see this, it works. Now I will do it for all. So now I will do it here in intro equal to 6 and run it for all. This step is important because if you run this for the first time and maybe there some ambiguity with your email, so this ambiguity will be sent to every user, so it will not be a good job then. That's why this advice. Thank you.